Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from the SCSeTools support. We're going to be taking a look at deleting erroneous data from the system so you can actually remove that data so it doesn't get included in the reports or in the data review and the graphs and all of that. Sometimes there are mistakes that happen in the field and the data does need to be removed. Technicians who upload the file do have the access to remove that data as well as the data approvers for the sites. And there are some checks and balances so that behind the scenes it actually does record who has deleted that reading. And there actually is a little reason that you have to put in as to why you are doing that as well. And we'll go ahead and dive into that. First thing we're going to want to do once we log into the system is make sure that we select the site that we're working with. We can either select it here from the dashboard itself or from the drop down in the top left. I'll go ahead and click on the drop down and then choose the eTools landfill, which we are dealing with today. Once it is selected, we want to jump on over to the data review edit section. So on the ribbon bar, you'll see the data section and there's the review edit option. Go ahead and select that. Left-hand side, we have our date configurations. Everything is within this calendar month, so I'm going to keep everything as default. Also, if you're looking for one individual ID, we can go ahead and select it, but I want to keep everything for the sake of the demonstration just so it's set to default here. I'm going to go ahead and create the report. Once the data has been populated on the right-hand side, we'll see right away the reading that we have the issue with. HCO1 here on 3/24 at 1:01 p.m. was stored as an ambient air reading. You can tell this by looking at the methane content at 0.2%. The actual reading up above it is for the same ID, was at 58%. So this is just obvious that the reading was actually taken with ambient air. We'll go ahead and remove this ID from the system. First thing we're going to want to do, at the top right hand of the section here, we'll actually have the edit option. Go ahead and select that. Once we select edit, you'll notice that the bar here at the top that is currently yellow will change over to green, just letting us know that we are in edit mode. And then we can go ahead and proceed by removing that data. Next, we're going to go ahead and select that data. So I'll go ahead and click on the data here in the row so that it's highlighted. And in order to remove that, we will right-click now and then choose delete. Once delete, it'll confirm, are we sure we want to delete this? Yes. At this point, we can go ahead and save this. So back to the top right hand of your section here of the screen, go ahead and click on save. And it'll prompt us for a reason for that change. This is for the change auditor where it actually keeps track of what data was deleted. So if there's anything changed or if anything's removed, it does get recorded into SCSeTools and noted as to who made that change, and it actually asks for a reason why that was made. So again, we can see our ID list here. We can see the timestamp that was associated with it, the name of the account that was logged in. And you'll see the old value is active, so it actually is part of the database. We have the new value as being deleted, so it's no longer actually part of it. We can't do reports on it, that sort of thing. It's just gone. From the comments section, I'll go ahead and click here under comments then. We'll just put erroneous reading. Removed. And click on save and exit. Once we click on save and exit, it'll go ahead and save that change within the system. The data's been removed, if you notice. It is no longer listed here. And then the bar at the top of the screen here is actually over to yellow again instead of green, so we're no longer in edit mode. One thing to note when removing or changing data, that data cannot be approved yet. If that data has already been approved, please contact SCSeTools support and we will instruct you how to proceed from there. If you have any questions about this video or any video that we have made in the past, or if you just have general support questions, you can email us at support@scsetools.com. Our phone number is 866-612-6820, and our hours of operation is 8 o'clock Eastern Time to 5 o'clock Pacific, Monday through Friday. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.